And in kind of defining the role of a man, nowhere do I see his role more important than when he takes responsibility for his family. So I see man as being able to motivate, to live out his true role as leader, to motivate his family and his children, to motivate them to achieve, to live out their full potential. A man should constantly be lifting his family to go on to greater things and to things that he believes that together as a family they can achieve. The second thing I think man must do in living out his role in his family or in society is to be a teacher. And by that I mean not just by precept, but by example. He must be a role model. I can't think of anything more value added to children than looking at a father living out his role. And for example, if a father is loving and nurturing of his spouse, children grow up and will copy that later on in life. Finally, I think a man, if he's a real man, has to be a minister. And by minister, I'm going to the root word meaning a servant. He should serve his family. A rulership doesn't involve tyranny. It involves service. And a man who is a real man provides for his family, protects his family, and is an advocate for his family. So I think man in Jamaica, in the context of family, has a tremendous opportunity to lead and to prove himself and to add value to his children.